I would say my experience here at the program has been great. I feel like I've learned so much, and there was never a day where I felt bored or, oh, like I didn't really enjoy today. I never felt like that throughout the whole program. There was always so much to do, so much to learn. Fun maybe, or exciting, because it was just, like I said, there's so much to do, so much to learn, and I think they did a great job of including activities and lectures that were very relevant to what this program is about. One thing that I'm going to definitely take home is definitely the desire and also just like wanting to grow closer or get closer to finding like that middle common ground of using Western medicine and traditional medicine, and really integrating that to integrative medicine. And yeah, I feel like that's all of the things that we did kind of really made me realize that as a future doctor, I want my patients to know that there's so many options available for them, and it doesn't always have to resort to Western medicine, and yeah, just kind of have the best of both worlds.